Hey, hello everyone. Gonna try something out. This is those the 1,000-year-old duck eggs, and I was a chef professionally for 15 years, and um, it's almost 12 years now since I did that. So there it is. And in my private life, see, still sealed. In my private life, I still enjoy cooking, and that's enough. So I've got a bit of a refined palate, so to speak. So let's see. Oh, oh, that's an interesting smell. That at first it smelled a bit like vinegar, but then it actually smelled of piss a little bit. So here we go. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, this might be a bad idea. Oops. Right, so let's get this out of the shell. Oh. Sorry, I'm just getting the shell out of the way. I've got a napkin over here. So here it is. Oh man. Oh, you know when you change when you change a cat litter tray and right at the very bottom that ammonia smell. Oh man. So, got a knife. That is a very strong smell of ammonia. Oh my god. You see that? It's like jelly. Right? There's what the yolk looks like. Well, may as well just go for it. Mm. A very interesting texture. Oh, it's a bit like jelly, but like really hard set jelly. Mm. Oh, look at that. Right? Look what the yolk does. Oh, man. Hmm. I've seen other people eating these and freaking out, but mm, oh, smell is awful. Swallowing it is actually quite difficult, but as you're eating it, you get you get occasional um straight up into your nasal cavity. It's almost like a smell of pure ammonia. It smells of really strong piss. Mm. Oh man. I'm trying to chew as fast as I can to get this thing down. I've seen other people react doing these videos, and they'll take a drink of water or they'll take a drink, try to flush it down. I think that defeats the purpose of experiencing this. Oh, that smell is awful. Almost there. I'm doing my best not to have that gag reflex, because I think that's just going to make it worse, but that smell is extraordinarily bad. Ah, done it. The texture takes some getting used to. The flavor is very strong egg, but whatever's causing that ammonia pissy smell, and it's not coming out your mouth, it's just going straight from your mouth as you're chewing straight up into your nose. So it's not like you're going and getting it's not like you're trying to get a scent of it, like wafting the scent, getting a smell of something. It's just going straight up into your nose, and you least expect it. Oh, I got the glue there. Like that. But that's not a pleasant experience at all. And I've got 5 more there, and I bought them, so I'm going to eat them. Not right now, though. Thanks for watching. I would encourage anyone else to try these, but be prepared because the smell is shockingly strong. And I'm glad you enjoyed this. Peace.